how Barca can create an unstoppable team. Important introduction.
Let us start by saying that this is not necessarily how we should play in every game. Fans often start to worry when they see certain players benched. However, this setup I am about to introduce could be the solution to many issues. How to function without a proper defensive midfielder, how to play a midfield trio of Frenkie, Gavi, and Pedri, and how to apply proper counter pressure while maintaining a balanced defensive structure. It could be the answer to modern football.
Key player, Mikayil Faye.
A left-footed center-back with the ability of playing as a left-back, joined the club in the summer of 2023 and became an immediate starter for Barca Athletic.
How is he the key?
Physically, Mikayil Faye has all you can ask for. His height and muscular build makes him dominant in 1v1 situations. Faye is very strong and one of the fastest players at the club. If the ball is played in behind, he can recover his position quickly and gain control of the situation. On the ball, Faye has the ability to break the lines and carry it forward. Now, the talented center-back almost joined Porto in a deal worth 15 million euros. There are concerns that must be addressed.
The perfect Flick center-back.
Many expected him to eventually make his debut for Barca's first team, but Xavi never allowed it. Did Xavi make the right decision? Faye can be quite raw. Unnecessary fouls, overly aggressive, and not positioned correctly. Unlike Cubarsi, he is not that mature in his style of playing. A coach prefers stability. However, he is literally the perfect defender for Hansi Flick if he can grow past silly mistakes. World-class potential. Our German coach prefers to hold a high line. Mikayil Faye is designed for that purpose.
From a back four to a back three.
The structure of the team changes based on whether we got the ball or not. In possession, the main idea is for Cubarsi to move into midfield and form a double pivot with Frenkie. Gavi can then push forward and play as an interior midfielder alongside Pedri. Faye and Count come closer to Araujo and it turns into a back three. A left-footed center-back on the left side and a right-footed center-back on the right side gives the right passing angles when playing out from the back.
The perfect counter pressure.
We struggled with our counter pressure last season. Often, there was too much distance between our players. This setup could be the solution. 1. The back line is as physical as it can get. Faye, Araujo, and Count got incredible pace and strength. This is our best bet at holding a high line, which minimizes the space the opponents get when winning the ball. 2. Cubarsi is a very proactive defender. He does not rely on his physicality to win the ball, but reads situations. He would play in the Busquets role, breaking up transitions. 3. Arguably the most important part, Gavi's pressing in the final third. The ball is usually lost in the final third. Gavi is better than any other player at winning it back quickly. This puts him in situations where he is one of the first players to apply pressure.
Midfield in possession.
Cubarsi plus Frenkie, our best progressive passer plus our best progressive ball carrier. Cubarsi makes up for Frenkie's lack of passing range and provides defensive cover. Frenkie has more freedom to go forward and be creative. Gavi and Pedri have often played their best football as interior midfielders. With Lamine Yamal and Nico Williams, the opponents are stretched plus often forced to defend by creating 2v1 ease. That opens space in central areas.
Out of possession for 4-2.
If the opponent are in control of the ball, we can sit back in a compact 4-4-2 shape. Cubarsi drops into the back line. Gavi acts as the destroyer next to Frenkie. Wingers Lamine and Nico comes deeper. With this, we are also dangerous in transitions when winning the ball. The runs of Nico Williams and Lamine Yamal into space will be difficult to stop.
The power of flexibility.
Count created the second most chances for France in the Euros from his right-back position. Faye is also capable of playing as a left-back. This team is very flexible and can adapt to the opponent in game. For example, do we need to overload the right side? Cubarsi can drop deep, while Count pushes forward. Faye has the running power to make overlapping runs while Nico comes inside, so many variations and patterns of play.
Conclusion.
1. This depends on multiple factors. Faye taking the next step, Araujo staying, and Nico Williams joining. These profiles are essential for it to work. 2. It is unlikely to happen next season, but I do believe this could be the ultimate solution to tough games in Europe. If it happens, it's probably going to be after Lewandowski has left.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.